peeps. Today I'm doing a really quick review video, sort of an unboxing, unpacking video on the Wildgame's Terra 5, which is a really popular trail camera that you can find online on Amazon for around 50 bucks. Lots of good reviews on this. I figured I'd give it a chance. I've used a bunch of, I've used a few different trail cameras over the years just to, sort of keep an eye on the property, see who's coming and going, including the wildlife and the wildlife neighbors. I'll tell you about the things, sort of a couple of the cons about it, and then we'll strap it up to a tree and see what we get. Now, as a bonus video, Clever Joe bonus video, we had a mystery package that showed up in the mail just a couple of weeks ago. I don't know what it is. It's from China.
China.
Anyway, so we'll see what this mystery thing is from China. Maybe they sent me a oh, who knows? Maybe they sent me some Chinese noodles. All right, so here we go. Unpacking. Ooh, oh my goodness. So it's a nice little small unit. It's actually smaller than I thought it would be.
That's what she said.
It's about the same size as a Bushnell, maybe a little bit bigger. It feels, I gotta say, light and cheap and plasticky. Don't drop it. So the batteries load from the bottom. I've taken the liberty to load her up, so to speak. 8 AA batteries, so you know. Basically, you power on. You've got a plus and a minus button here just for navigating the menu system, and you don't have too many functions on this. Basically, you can select either video or picture, and that's it. Every 30 seconds it's going to take a picture, or every 30 seconds it's going to take a video. I like the fact that with the Bushnell trail cameras you can secure them more easily. This is really cheap plastic, so even if you do put some straps and put a lock on it, it wouldn't be hard to bust that out. So it comes with a tiny little manual. Warning. I flipped through this earlier, and essentially it just tells you how to put in the batteries and how to turn the power on. I'm going to hang that up in a tree, and we'll over the week or so, and we'll see what we get. I'm sure we will get something. Now on to the next mystery package from China.
China.
It's a nice hat. Look at that. What a beautiful hat. I could almost pick that hat out myself. Nice hat. Thanks, China.
I like China.
Thanks, mystery package sender.
China.
All right, we're gonna throw this bad boy up into the trees and get some pictures.